Yes, you can call me Priyanka, no problem.
Feeling like a bad, I'm the only one. No, there are so
Ah,
many people.
of course. And you should feel excited every day. So definitely, it's so amazing to talk with people because I mean, what is better than this? I believe you are getting the opportunity to talk.
Yeah,
You can have
yes.
conversation. You can learn. You can learn not only communication but how to boost your confidence, how to engage, how to make self
Interact. Yeah.
exactly. So this is such an amazing thing, right? So a
Yeah.
very good evening, Miss Poonam.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, you can call me Priyanka, no problem. Okay.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So tell me, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing well today. It's a Saturday, so there is a off.
Oh, it's
Uh,
off today, right?
so
Amazing.
yeah. So how are you?
I'm amazing. As fit as fiddle. And thank you so much for asking. Okay. So, Miss Poonam, as we are meeting for the very first time, I would love to know about you.
Yeah,
Please give
sure.
your brief
So
introduction.
as Sure, sure. So, as you know, I'm Poonam. I'm from Maharashtra, Mumbai, and I'm working professional in IT sector. If I talk about my education, I have done engineering, and then after I started my job in IT sector. But there is a issue of communication, so I started my YouTube channel
Oh, wow.
uh, for practice communication.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
that's
it
great.
about me. Yeah.
That's wonderful. So, may I know how long you have been working on your YouTube channel, Miss Poonam?
It's been a 6 months only,
6.
but
Really?
now I'm consistent. Before I was not consistent. That's why I'm lacking in my communication.
Okay.
Now
Yeah,
it's good. Yeah.
that's great.
Okay. I recently saw your conversation video with I don't remember, but uh, immediately I have sent you the mail.
Oh, thank you so much. How sweet of you. Okay. So, as you are working professional and you're working on your YouTube channel too, so how do you manage, first of all? Because these are two job altogether.
Yes, but it's a need for me. Communication is a need for me, so that's why it's manageable. I don't upload videos on daily basis, so it's manageable. And I don't decorate my videos. So uh, first 2 to 3 videos I tried to decorate, but it's very time taking process, so I don't decorate my videos at all. But yeah, it's manageable, and yeah, it's helping as well to other. And I just when I was started the my YouTube channel, then I feel that I'm the only one who is like who has done engineering. Then after he's since I'm struggling with the English, then after I started to know that Tanu is also engineer and she is also practicing English, and you're also doing the MBA. So it's not feeling like a bad, I'm the only one. No, there are so
Ah,
many people.
of course. And we are lifelong learners, right? You will learn every day,
Yeah.
and you should feel excited every day because as you have a YouTube channel, right? You interact with learners every day, I guess, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
definitely, it's so amazing to talk with people because I mean, what is better than this? I believe you are getting the opportunity to talk.
Yeah.
You can have conversation.
Yes.
You can learn. You can learn not only communication but how to boost your confidence, how to engage, how to make self
Interact. Yeah.
exactly. So this is such an amazing thing, right?
Yeah.
You mentioned one thing that I
Yeah.
don't, decorate. I mean, editing part of videos that were you sharing. But of course, it's not mandatory. I mean,
Hmm.
especially for these conversation videos, the thing is that just have conversation and upload it. Plus, what matter here is how you speak. Every day you're improving or not, or you're speaking in the same manner.
No,
That's
of
matter.
course I'm improving. Yeah.
Yes, I'm saying that's matter. Editing doesn't matter here. Because if you are genuine, if you are speaking, if you're trying, if you're putting efforts, people can observe us. They can see our energy, they
Yeah.
can see our confidence. Definitely, if they will learn something from our videos, they will watch it.
Yeah, and like from since 6 months, I started to listening the conversation videos only. Before I was listen only like podcast and all, and I was trying to listen like movies, watch movies and a podcast. But those are not in Indian accent, so it
Okay.
was difficult for me to grab the language. So now with the conversation video, I'm getting improving day by day. I can grab the words of uh, all uh, all
Speakers.
co-learners,
Okay, of course.
speakers. Yeah.
Mhm. Well, of course, the thing that you mentioned, that accent, when there is a little change in accent, we don't want to listen that particular movie, or, we don't want to watch that show or whatever. It happens. And to be very
Hmm.
honest, I like Indian accent only. I don't want to learn any other accent, British, American. No, not at all. I want to be genuine with my people, and I want to speak in Indian accent only.
Yeah, you have good accent, but Indian
Yeah.
accent.
Thank you so much. Well,
You don't have your mother tongue influence in your English.
that's what, right? And you should speak in a manner so that at least we are here, right? We are in India. So at least Indian, we can connect with Indians. That's what our motive is. Actually, I was
Yes,
saying the same
telling
thing. I
correctly.
mean, I'm truly agree with you that the main thing is to convey your message. Whatever your message is, the better in as simple manner as you can, just convey your message. Don't worry about the
Yes,
fluency, or, actually, don't worry about the fancy words, especially. It's okay to speak with as
yes,
simple words as you can. That's it.
yes. And in IT company, as I saw all in meeting, in PPT or in client call, they don't accept they don't uh, ac- what
Acknowledge.
they don't accept they don't accept fancy words. They
Uh,
only want message from you in meeting, what you are telling them. If I want to say any report, and I have to tell them the updates of the project, so they interested in only updates. They are not interested in my English.
exactly. It is just a medium of communication. This thing should be
Yes,
noted. I mean, if you
yes,
speak something, or very, like fancy words, and they are not able to get the idea what you actually want to convey them, then what's the, result for the particular meeting? At least that convey your message. And communication is what? Whatever you speak, other person should understand you. That's the main motive
understand.
of
Yeah.
communication. Yeah, so very good.
Yes.
And tell me, Miss Poonam, how long you have been learning this language? I mean, you're working on your YouTube channel, it's been 6 months, but what about your English journey?
Hmm. It's been now 3 to years, 2 to 3 years now.
Okay.
I have started from zero. I have learned the grammar, and then I have started sentence formation, uh, then vocabulary, verbs. Then I have started speaking.
Very good. That's great. Of
So
course,
it's a long journey. Yeah,
just be proud of
because
yourself.
there was
Yeah, please go ahead.
there was no practice medium earlier. After English platform, comes in, they launched English Shari platform. Then I have started practicing with English Shari platform. Then I
Mhm.
have created my channel and I started practice. So practice is important, nothing else.
Exactly.
All I have learned grammar and those things are very useless, I think so. Practice is must.
Exactly. Practice is very important because let's say if you stop, for a week, or let's say one, twice or thrice in a week, you will feel underconfident to come up with the same energy in the.
Yeah.
You have to maintain the consistency because we are learning foreign language, right? English is not our mother tongue, so we have to be consistent with it.
Yeah, and we after if I means took a break 2 to 3 week or 1 week, so then I have to struggle with the vocabulary. I have to struggle
Exactly.
with the recall all the words.
Exactly. And it's happened with everyone. To be very honest, if I'll stop, even if I don't conduct session one day, I feel, oh my god, something is missing here. I should practice. I should speak with learners,
Yeah,
co-learners, good speakers. Okay. Yes, you tell me, Miss Poonam, what you like to do in your leisure time.
I listen conversation video. I read book and I find out the partner for conversation.
Exactly.
So it's all about like now it's a, daily routine. English learning is like a daily routine of my life.
Yes. And when you find a
Uh,
person who has the same interest as you, so you will feel comfortable. You feel like, yeah, I am not the only one. You mentioned, I'm not the only one who is
yeah,
facing problem. I'm not the only one who is learning language after, after doing something. It's very common. And it is just, language. You know your mother tongue
yeah.
very well. You are fluent, super duper fluent in it. But as you're learning the second language, so just be proud of yourself because you're learning a second language.
Yes, of course. And what I was telling, I forgot.
Tell me. Okay, till then
Sorry.
you ask your question. Let me. I want to ask something. That what are the things I know still you are facing? I mean, what are the problems while speaking in English? Would you like to share?
Uh, yes, of course. So now I'm not able to speak fast, or I'm not able to recollect the words, easy words as well. I don't use fancy words as I told earlier. So I find out the difficult in that area. Now
Okay.
I'm uh, now I'm good enough in the grammar part, but words words recall and words recollection is late, slow we can say.
Okay. Yeah. Like the very
Like
first
my
problem.
nature is, sorry,
Please continue.
some people speak fast,
Yeah.
very means like introduction part. My name is Poonam. I'm in IT sector. Like this means they speak very fast. I'm not able to speak fast.
Okay, that is the thing you feel that this is the issue. But it is a very good thing. To be very honest, I really like to connect with learners who speak slow so that, you know, there is a proper, communication. Otherwise, what if nobody's in the hurry? To be very honest, when I am in the session, I feel like I have to get the most out of it. I will listen whatever he or she will say because the you
Mhm.
know deep conversation are always slow, don't you think?
Yeah, of
Right.
course.
Yeah.
I'm speaking my mother tongue as well, slow. But if we watch anybody to speak English in fast way or fluent, so I feel I have to be like this.
Yeah. So for that you can do, I mean, yeah, there can be little little bit fast but not much. because otherwise you
Mhm.
will not look I mean, you will not, everybody feel that Miss Poonam has changed, because she speaks so fast. It's not like that, so that they can understand you.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
Make
okay.
sure, I mean,
Yeah.
you should be yourself. Don't try to copy someone, the very first thing, because you're a YouTuber, and you people
Yeah.
can observe us. If we change anything, like especially the way we talk, the way we speak, the way we, our tongue gets, disturbed, so anything people can observe. So the very first thing is that I
Observe.
like the way you speak in a simple and slow. You're very calm and composed. Your energy, as
Mhm.
soon as we started our session, it just feel I'm talking with a very positive person. I'm going to have a session.
Oh,
It feels in the starting.
thank you.
Seriously, because
Thank you.
uh, it should be the vibe, and I am very much comfortable while talking with you. Oh my god, you,
Oh,
yeah,
thank you. It's my pleasure.
means a lot. Okay. So
Yeah.
when it comes to the first thing, that vocabulary that you mentioned, uh, first of
Mhm.
all, you mentioned the fast, so it will happen gradually. Try to read and try to conduct as many sessions as you can. And every day it's your routine now, right?
Yeah.
And the next thing is that about vocabulary, so it happens. I always try, I always find new words. What can I say in a different manner, something like this. So this is a long way to go. But what all you can,
Mhm.
one or two word on a daily basis, make sure to learn them. Make sure to Google it, the meaning, the sentences, how you can speak. And when you join any session, make sure you're using that particular word.
Yeah.
That's how you will improve, or you'll boost your vocabulary.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Like I'm not able to find out the easy word as well. Means I know the words, but in the while speaking, that not come out of the mouth. It's yeah, it will uh, change gradually.
Exactly.
It will
Exactly.
come with the practice only. Yeah.
Yes. I mean, if you're learning a word, make sure to use at least, uh, for the practice, you can use 10 to 12 times. But when you're in conversation, make sure
Oh,
at least use twice or thrice, so that your tongue get familiar of that particular word, right?
okay. Like, what is your self realization while learning this language? So, what which methods do you suits? Like
Suits.
reading, writing, listening, speaking is the four way to learn English. So, which method is your best method, or do you like most?
Okay. Well, wonderful question, Ms. Poonam. To be very honest, I cannot, separate any one thing that you mentioned, because LSRW. I feel these four pillars are really important. Every day I listen, every day I read, I write something before going to sleep. I mean, I maintain my journal, and I speak in
Okay,
sessions. I mean, speaking is a lot because of the sessions, but yeah, I make sure to listen at least 30 minutes, something, any podcast, any interview, or I usually preferred podcast. Earlier I used to watch conversation
hmm.
videos, but now I switched to podcast.
Yeah,
So
okay,
four things make sure you do on a daily basis: listening, reading,
yeah,
speaking, and writing, at least for a year.
sure.
Just give it a try for
Mhm.
a year, and you will see a drastic improvement after a year.
I have tried writing, but that I
Doesn't work.
cannot continue with that. Yeah, so I don't know what to write.
That's the issue. So for that, first of all, your daily routine. You can write about your friend. You can write about your plans. What are you going to do? You can write about your hobbies. You can write about what you are grateful for. Um the things that you want to, I mean, get rid of, any habits, anything. बहुत सारा मटेरियल है, कुछ भी लिख दो, बस लिखना है.
Sure, sure. Definitely, I will try this writing.
Yeah. And I'm so grateful for to be here in this conversation with you. The thing is that I want to tell you, it's like 15th of June, right? Make sure for the next year, 15th of June, I will talk to eminent speaker, Miss Poonam.
Oh, thank you. Hope so.
Of course, right? So make it a commitment and you can pay it somewhere and make sure to be, consistent with your journey. You told me that nowadays you're very consistent with your YouTube channel. So make sure to continue. And of course, we all are here on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay,
Definitely we can meet. Yeah.
for sure. Okay,
Yeah.
so any question
Thank
left?
you. No, like I'm done from my side.
Same here. Okay.
Okay. Then thank you for time, Priyanka.
Thank you very much, Miss Poonam. It was really wonderful talking with you. Yes, sometimes there's a network issue, but all good. It was really amazing
Yeah.
session and hope to see you in future. Okay, bye bye.
Yeah. Sure. Bye bye.
Take care.